How are we doing, guys? So in today's quick video, I just want to show you guys a clip of a light trade that I took, that I recorded, and I just want to show you guys that I can lose as well. I mean, not all days are profitable. You know, some days you have to lose, of course, and this is the day where I lost, and it was also a day where I couldn't really accept the loss. I mean, I did accept the loss because I closed the trade, but you can just hear me saying stuff that I don't like about the trade, but I still stay in the trade, which is, you know, a big mistake on my part. I mean, there's no reason for me to stay in the trade if I see the trade not moving in my favor, if I'm not seeing the buys moving in my favor. I could have probably saved myself double the amount that I've lost if I only followed my rules and just said to myself, you are wrong, get out of the trade. You know, it's not the right trade to take, so get out. So I mean, I'm gonna play the clip and you guys will see how I lost. When they move up to the zone again, yeah, we can see the offer is still there. That 760 offer is still there, which is really good. Let's see if these cells can contain the price. If not, it's gonna break easily. This might be a spoof as well, which means when price goes to transact, they will just pull those orders. You'll see a quick pop very shortly. You'll just see a very fast move to the upside, like 10 ticks. We just have to wait if it happens. You can see how no one is selling. You can see only 9 sell into this 190 offer, but then 230 hit into the offer, but price doesn't really go up. You see how they're not really going up. This is very interesting, and it's all happening at the highs. So this might be some buyer exhaustion happening right now. But I'm still expecting that fast pop up, that fast push up, because they still haven't dropped down. They're holding the price at the highs on purpose. They're trying to do something, probably try to trade towards this big offer right here. You can see how it drops, but there is not that much selling. Then you can see how quickly it goes up again. So I'll actually place a quick long to see maybe if we can profit from this move to the upside, to trade maybe towards this offer. We're gonna put our exit a little bit above the offer because I believe this is a spoof, because they like to spoof the markets. There's drop. $187 on the sell side. That's a nice push up again. Good. Pulling from the offers here. 136 on the buys, but we can see offers are refreshing as well, which means they are selling it to the buyers, but then we push up again. Good. 44.66 on the buy side. We can still see some buying. We can see 121 on the bids as well, trying to protect the zone to go up again. We can see a nice close candle right here, how they pushed up to then quickly come back up again. There is a lot of liquidity up here. I would expect them to push up and break it. You'll see a very quick pop very shortly. Something similar to this. But the more time they spend here and not moving up, the more I'm gonna believe that they will not actually go up. There is a reason why they are containing the price here very well. They're just trapping buyers to then push up, push down, and liquidate them. So let's see. But I mean, we're still above the 13 EMA. We're still in that move to the upside. That big offer is still there. We can still see some buyers coming in, so there is no reason for me to really get out of the trade. You see pulling from the offers, that's very good. You see the selling, but it's not that much selling, which is good. Which means they're letting it drop down, and then you can see at the lows how big amount of contracts of the buys come in. So they're buying at lows, buying at the lowest point at the highs of the range to then go up again. So let's see. 102 on the buy side. 21, 55, 55, 89. Buying, buying, buying. Bids coming in, protecting, that's good. Pulling from the offers here, nice. 115 on the buy side, 120 on the buy side as well. I'll mark off this 238 on the buy side as well, so we know when they come into the zone, maybe that same player will go in again and buy, which will push price again to the upside. I'm just marking off those buys. You can see again another drop to the downside, but you can't see really that much selling, which is very bullish. You see 2, 4, 9, 9, 3, 8. It's not that much selling. And you will see again a quick push to the upside very soon. Just watch. There's drop. Can they hold? You can see a lot of selling, but it's not really dropping. Come on, can we see some buying? There we go, 125 on the buy side, 134 on the buy side. 176, good, there it is. Come on, push up. What I need to see now is bids stacking here. So I need to see more bids, collectively bids being more than the offers. And then I need to see that fast, quick push to the upside to take out this previous liquidity. It might take a while actually. And I can actually go long from here as well if they manage to hold this zone, so that I can push my entry a bit closer so that I'm in profit sooner, unless they move out very quickly now. Let's see. Can they move up? Come on, this candle needs to close strongly. Come on. This candle needs to close strongly. There we go, that's a nice close. We can see 124 on the buy side as well, but we can see also offers coming in. Bids coming in as well. There's the push. That's a very nice push, but I need to see more buying. 3 on the buy side is not that much. I need to see more buyers here. If not, it's probably going to drop down again. It's not the ideal zone to trade, to be honest with you. I've been in better trades. It's moving very slowly and it's not really predictable, you know. I mean, we're still reading the markets and we can kind of get a feel for the market and why they are not moving up. You can see 142 on the sell side. You can see them dropping again. Yeah, I'm not seeing any buys. I might need to get out. I might actually short now. I might actually change direction. If they go up now and I can't really see any buying here again, I might change direction because there is this imbalance that I can trade towards. So let's see. This might be a good zone to change direction from. Sell pulling from the bids. 89 on the buy side, not bad. 96. Can they move up? Let's see. See, it's not that much buying. It's not that much selling as well. There's the drop. Yeah, it's very hard to trade this on. Yeah, I'll just get out. There we go. So I mean, accept the loss, move on. Nothing to do. Was this a good zone to go long from? I mean, not really, because we still had this imbalance to the downside, and we can see how tricky the price action has been. And I mean, going long for the risk reward was not that good as well. So I don't know. Not really a good trade.